Check if mine's on. There should be like a green light.
Yeah, there's a green light. What about me?
You're on.
Yeah.
Go to the basketball. What's up, guys? This is take 2 of us. I got new mics, little small mics to attach to your shirt. This is the take 2 because last time I forgot to turn them on. I'm a New Year's, so don't get mad at me.
Alrighty, guys.
I got sent a real ball.
Let's go.
We're playing a 10, 1v1 just to test it. I'm not even sure. Oh, shoot.
We're
playing a 10, 1v1.
The mics weren't even on.
I just told him that.
Oh,
yeah, I forgot. You can't hear me. I forgot about that. I was over there. I was talking to them, but... Huh. So this is how these work. Okay. But, Luke, talk. Oh, wait, that's so... Never mind. Just go. Oh, I tried to save the ball, but I stepped on his foot. Oh, shucks. I just said shucks, bro. Some dude
Hook shot.
Some dude in a basketball team we were playing, in the school team. I think it's because of him. We were playing him. Misses the layup, hits the top of that board. He said shucks. That's why I say it, I think.
All right, 4-0.
And 1.
I'm determined to score.
4-0. We're playing 20. No, we're playing 10. 10. Go.
Bro, that's a foul. No, it's not.
Oh, yikes, bro. Oh, shoot. Too little.
Dang.
I wish they would have had the last encounter of that neighbor kid who came by. Logan. I wish the mics were working because they would have listened to the other kid.
What other kid?
Yeah, oh my goodness, you're gonna post this on YouTube. You're famous. He said, "Can I get your autograph?"
He actually did.
No, he jokes. He joking. He playing.
Yeah,
he be playing. Sorry, that's a freak. Oh crap! Why'd you shoot that so quick? Now you get the free layup.
Yay! I scored.
What's the score?
I'm so good. You're terrible.
6-2.
Bro. Too little.
Or is it 4-2? Ball, get the ball. What score?
Oh, it's either
Luke be taking a whiz over there. Taking a pee. I'm gonna have to cut that out.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's she doing? Oh.
Oh,
I saw it. Oh, fudge. What the crap was that? I at least did a layup. Just chunked it.
You can't block me if I shoot it really quickly.
Oh! Please go in. That would have gone in. Ooh, that would have gone in. Oh, why are you shooting so quick, little buddy?
So you can't block me. It works.
Oh, foul, ow, foul. Foul, foul, foul. Ah.
No! I literally am like
we are awful. What score?
Like 6-2, I think.
Oh, why is this not working? I still got it. My shoe's coming untied. It's fine. As long as it's tight, I don't care. I had to tighten it. Oh, shoot.
You're so bad.
You gonna throw it at me? What are you doing? If I make it, I win.
What was that? Alright.
I'm celebrating on a layup.
Like and subscribe.
GG. Hope you liked it.
Good game.